When applying to medical or dental school, you need to be confident that you are submitting the best possible application that you can. Whether you're applying to the most competitive universities or going as an international or a grad, which are tricky routes, or you're just simply worried that you're going to fail or have failed before and are worried that it's going to happen again, the FutureDoc program is there to ensure that you submit your best possible application and leave nothing down to chance. Nothing is guaranteed with these incredibly competitive courses, but at FutureDoc we can guarantee that you will feel confident that you did everything right with your application. The FutureDoc program is a framework to ensure that you have every single base of the application covered. However, every application is different, so we tailor the program based on your individual circumstances to make sure your needs are met. That's why we pair you with one of our FutureDoc tutors who are the best pool of tutors when it comes to medical and dental school applications in the UK, and we adapt your journey based on your individual circumstances and needs. We cover everything about the application, from work experience, getting the right amount and building a CV that's likely to get you into a good medical or dental school, doing well in the aptitude tests, whether it's UCAT or GAMSAT, picking the right medical or dental schools for you, which is such an important step, submitting an outstanding personal statement, and finally acing the interviews, which is the final hurdle. We'll show you what your best application looks like, help you avoid any mistakes, show you how to be time efficient so that no minute is wasted when you come to your preparation. This means that you can be confident in the knowledge that you are submitting your best possible application with FutureDoc and not left wondering with that horrible feeling of what if. Of course, we can help at any stage, but the sooner you come to us, the more we can affect and help with your application. We even have a guarantee if you come early enough that if you don't get in, you go again for free. But it's rare that we have to use that because we have such a good success rate. If you'd like to find out more, please submit an application by clicking the link below and see how FutureDoc can help you write your own story.